Have you ever been the new kid in class? Or maybe you felt left out before. It didn't feel great, did it? You might have felt worried, nervous, or like you didn't belong. But guess what? You can help others feel welcome and included. Let's learn how to be an inclusive friend. Step 1. Say hello. A friendly hi or a big smile can turn someone's day around. It's a small way to show someone, I see you. Step 2. Welcome others in. Sometimes, a person might want to join in, but feel too nervous to ask. Maybe they're not sure if they'll be welcome. You can be an inclusive friend by inviting them to join in the fun. Step 3. Be curious and kind. You might notice that someone may dress differently, speak a different language, or celebrate different holidays. At first, we might think something is unusual because it's different from what we're used to. But we can train our brains to be curious and remember that differences are expected when there are so many different people in the world. Instead of saying, "That's weird," try saying, "Can you tell me more about?" You might learn something really awesome or new. Step 4. Speak up for others. If you see someone being left out or treated unfairly, say something. You can say, "That's not okay," or "Hey, let's all play together." You can do your part to help others feel safe and happy. When we say hello, welcome others in, stay curious and kind, and speak up for others, you are being an inclusive friend and helping your community be a more inclusive place. Now it's your turn. What's one way you can be an inclusive friend today? That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you more videos. We will see you next time.